Everyone wants to know, which cryptocurrencies actually have the potential to grow in the next 12 to 24 months? We've all seen coins shoot up 10x, 20x, or even more, but we've also seen hundreds crash to zero, leaving people with heavy losses. In this video, I'm not going to give you random hype or promises of get rich quick. Instead, I'm breaking down 5 solid projects with real use cases, strong teams, and massive growth potential for 2026-2027. I'll also tell you exactly what risks to watch out for, because making money is one thing, but keeping it is even more important. If you're serious about investing in crypto this year, this is the video you need to watch. Let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation coins, the ones that lead the market and bring stability to your portfolio. Bitcoin, BTC. You might think it's too late, but think again. With more countries adopting it, spot ETFs bringing billions in new money, and its fixed supply, Bitcoin remains the safest long-term bet. It's not just a coin, it's digital gold. Why it could grow: institutional adoption, limited supply, global recognition. Risk: high volatility, sensitive to regulation. Ethereum, ETH, still the backbone of the entire crypto world. It powers DeFi, NFTs, tokenized real-world assets, and AI tools. Recent upgrades have made it faster and cheaper to use. Why it could grow: leading the RWA and AI crypto trends, massive developer activity. Risk: competition from other blockchains, regulatory uncertainty. 3. Solana, Sol, often called the speed and cost king. It processes thousands of transactions per second at almost zero fees. It's becoming the go-to chain for new apps, games, and even real-world asset projects. Why it could grow: fast adoption, strong ecosystem, growing institutional interest. Risk: network outages in the past, still recovering trust. 4. Chainlink, Link. If you want to know which projects actually work, look at Chainlink. It's the technology that connects blockchains to real-world data, prices, and events. It's the hidden infrastructure behind almost every serious project. Why it could grow: essential for RWA, DeFi, and AI integration. Huge demand ahead. Risk: market cycles, depends on broader crypto growth. Ondo Finance, Ondo. This is a direct play on the biggest trend we talked about earlier: real-world asset tokenization. It lets you invest in US government bonds, treasuries, and traditional assets on the blockchain. Why it could grow: trillions of dollars moving into this space, backed by big finance risk, newer project, more regulation sensitive. Now, here's the most important part. Even if these coins have potential, you will lose money if you ignore these rules. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Prices can swing 20 to 30% in a single week. Do your own research. I share information, not financial advice. Always check the project's website, team, and what they actually build. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread it across different sectors. Have a plan. Know when you will take profits and when you will cut losses. Greed is the #1 reason investors fail. So there you have it. 5 projects with strong potential to perform well in 2026 and 2027. But remember, potential is not a guarantee. The market moves fast, and only those who stay informed and disciplined will succeed. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button. It helps YouTube show this video to more people who need it. Share this video with anyone who is looking to start or grow their crypto portfolio. And subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week I break down new trends, top projects, and the risks you need to know before you invest. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next one.